Do a walk around of the 63.5 Galaxie 500. 390. The 3 on the tree. Here at Bruno Classics today. It's a beautiful color. It's a good looking car too. I love the pillarless fastback. Second half of 63. Ford came out with this bad boy. Good looking wheels and tires on it. Gives it a good stance. So maybe we'll kind of start at the front end here and work our way around. Just pointing anything out as I've noticed, and you know, both the bumpers look like they're newer or in perfect condition. You know, the grill too is very clean. You got a couple little things here. You know, the bright work could use some polish. I put some on the back and it just shined up. The fins on the hood. She's got a good shine to her. A little bit of wax right there left over, so it's all sealed up, ready for summer cruising. Does have a crack in the windshield, you see right here, out of your visibility, but definitely got to note that to you. The bright work around the windshield looks good. You know, typical spots for rust, not there. Cowl's clean. This fender's clean, the lips. I did an undercarriage too, so you can see the underneath, but this is a rust-free vehicle for you. You got a tiny little ding right there. Otherwise, all the trim is on it, looking really clean, in good condition. Like I said, that rear bumper, it's perfect, good sounding duals on it. Skipped over the back window. All the windows do roll down nice and smoothly, especially the backs. You always end up fighting those because they don't get used much, but this one they roll down really nicely. Might as well pop the trunk since I'm here. See how clean it is. The undercarriage, you can see there's no rust. Underside's been painted as well. Got an extra set of plugs for you. Like original. See if I can peel this up here. Nope, it's glued down. Obviously no rear spare, but a good trunk. As you can see right there, just this section I hit with some mother's love, and it shined right up. A little tiny spring hanging down from the trim there. This side of the window looks good. All the other glass, other than that one crack in the windshield, looks nice. See a couple little chips down here, people entering the passenger side. Easy enough to get some touch up for that. All the emblems are attached. This mirror too, need to get a new mirror. Surround on the passenger side of the windshield. There's no dings or anything else in the windshield. You gotta love the metal dashes. You don't have to worry about vinyl cracking on that. We'll take a look at the interior here. It's all in very good condition. Seats, no tears, no missing buttons, not even really any wear. Looks really nice. Carpet too. The interior is beautiful. That armrest looks good. You can see on the passenger side armrest a little bit of cracking on the top. I could run over there and show that. Headliner's good. Rear valance, nice condition. Do have a little tear passenger side right there up in the headliner. Visors though, good shape. So steering wheels, pretty amazing. You can see there's a little bit of a hair crack here and here, but you don't have any of the brakes that you normally have in these steering wheels. I know the horn's working too. There it is. Gauges, so no speedometer right now, no fuel gauge. Temp gauge works. Original stereo functioning. Actually sounds pretty good. And this is an oddity. The actual clock is working, and I set it yesterday and it's right on time. So that's a fully functioning. That's the armrest I mentioned. A little bit of wear on there, but otherwise a really nice interior. Take a look at the hood, under the hood I should say. Love these Galaxie hood releases with the front emblem. Why isn't that something they still do today? That's just too cool. Second release right there. Valve covers painted to match. You got newer insulation on the hood. There's no exhaust leaks. It is manual brakes, manual steering. They did drop the same motor in these as a Thunderbird, so it says Thunderbird on the valve covers. That's a good motor, 390. I love the 390s. Had a 67 Galaxie with a 390 and it just sounded sweet. Alright, well let me know if I missed anything and you need to see more. Otherwise, we'll talk soon.